So what we're going to have a look at today is how to export a single clip from your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. As you can see here we have our timeline, and it's split into different clips because this is an edited video. All we want to do is we'll go down here to our little rocket ship, the export one, and what we want to do is these are our array of clips up here. These are all the different clips that we have in our video. We're just going to do the first one. All you want to do is right click and click render this clip. And as you can see, these other clips now have gone grey down here, and it's just this one here. So we're just going to render it, and all we have to do to do that is just click add to render queue. I'm just going to leave it as the default settings for now. Then all we do is click render. Now that's done that, we can just open it up. And as you see here, this is our video. As you can see, it's only 4 seconds long. So we'll just close that down quickly and go back to this. So once you've done that, let's say you want to eventually render the whole video and just not the clip. What you do is you come down here to your big timeline, what looks more like the editing timeline instead of the clips. Then you just right click and then click entire timeline. Then you can render the whole thing. So that's how you render a single clip in DaVinci Resolve. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.